Today we are going to be discuss one of the major topic, that is the energy. What is energy, and what kind of the energy will be utilized in diseases, for the treating the diseases. What is the outer and inner? As per my concept, it's a my philosophy. Actually, temperature of the body is a different. The outer temperature and inner temperature is a different. The inner temperature, the different organs having different types of the temperature, although if the body temperature is one is constant, that we have to be research why the live human body. It's and the possible during the operative cases we can measure the outer temperature or inner temperature. If suppose in the condition of abdominal diseases when is going to be operating, while same time we will take the temperature of the abdominal cavity or either livers, intestine, stomachs, and we will correlate it with the study with it. On the same time, we can be measure the neurological operating cases, while we can measure the temperature of brain or nervous systems. This is my hypothesis or beginning part for the research. We can be managed by through the study of inner organ temperatures, which having the correlated study is most important to be learn in future also. If you say the take the example of any diseases, if suppose we take the example of the asthma, in lung diseases, definitely the some kind of the energy is aggravating in lungs. It's in the hypersensitivity reaction in the alveoli, but hyperactivity lungs, which may increase temperature of the lungs. We have to be manage. It may be elevated or may be decreased, but we have to study about it only. Okay, exactly what temperature will be affected on particular diseases. Second thing, we can say that in certain different diseases or in different diseases, the heat will be liberated according to concept of the diseases. The importance of this study, we can be measure the internal temperature also external temperature of the body, and we can correlate it with the study for it. The inner body temperatures almost all affected in diseases and may also having the normal organ temperature in normal persons, or organ which is not affected, we can measure it and we can predict the other organs involvement also. The energy will liberate heat, and it's a correlated with the heat and cold. When the temperature will be increased, the surrounding will be some kind of hot will be represent that temperature is increasing. Hotness will come by the energy. What is the energy? Energy is liberating from the organs due to affectedness of the organs, due to pathophysiological condition of the organs or normal physiology of the organs. But when the temperature will be increases or decreases, the energy will be high source of beam to be monitored to the temperatures. Overall, the second thing is that the external energy depending upon the external atmosphere, like the cold and hot, where on the basis of this the hypothalamus will control the body temperature and it's maintain the body temperature, but the surrounding will be affected the body temperature, or energy will be increase or decrease. Second one importance, as per the source of beam, stress and fear also changes in hormones, the temperature will be increased, energy will be affected. The emotional stages like the aggressiveness, anxiety will be increase the temperature because of hormone liberation, and pity, loveliness, if feeling some kind, the temperature level will be normal. The emotion also surrounding will be affected, which can be managed or measured through the or monitor through the by the light reflex also. The light reflection may be measured exactly what kind of energy is liberating, how the energy affecting, and what kind of the changes will going to be occur in normal person or normal organs by through the inner source of the energy or outer source of the energy, external energy or internal energy liberations. If we say, we will take the example, the life is depend upon body producing energy to maintaining the inner and outer atmosphere of the surrounding. Our bodies cannot be tolerated cold, chill, high level of hot thing. It's need to be maintained a optimum temperatures, that's a normal temperature. It will be elevated and harmful, it will be decreased and harmful. But till now there is no particular study is going on for the inner organ temperature monitoring. We had to be need to be see it's what kind of the diseases which organ is affecting and what temperature is either optimum or increasing or decreasing according to pathophysiological condition and normal condition. The human or live organs need a heat, either it is expanding through the cell or cellular organs. Some kind of the cells might be body, it's affecting according to my methodology the different organs in the condition of the pathophysiological condition, the heats are affecting, but in normal there is a constant temperature may be monitored. This is a huge subject for the monitoring the temperature for inner and outer body parts is and the important to understanding the disease and mankind also. For living organs always maintain or liberate the heat. If the heat is not liberating or not showing any biochemical reaction in the body, it will consider a death. There is a many topic in health science we observe. Sometimes we say brain death. What exactly occurring in the brain death? Either the possibility of the cells are not working, not the biochemical pathway is working over there, or not liberating the heat. The cells, it is a minor part of the human body or singular part of the organs where the cell factory is working according to its own nature. Most probably due to disturbance, the production of the heat are affecting. It's and my request to the all researchers to be concentrated on this methodology or this my hypothesis. Please, if you get any correlation study while selecting to these subjects, please write to me or contact me at my WhatsApp, that is India number 919881408041. Once the study of this on the manner, definitely it will useful in health medical science. Or you may contact directly to me. That's my address, Dr. A. Qureshi, 160 Guruwarpet, Sholapur, Maharashtra State, India, 413002. Thank you very much.